Wait, whose shadow is that?
What?
You see that black in the back?
What is that?
Is that us?
Oh my God, it looks like a person.
Move.
It does.
Are you depressed today, mother?
Day is October something.
My dementia's kicking in. Goodbye.
Anyways, it's somewhere around October, and today we're going to go see a ghost. Mama, I want to be a hoe, but these other stupid hoes ruined my name. I want to be a dog, but dogs are more loyal than these stupid hoes.
Cool.
Dope.
Yes.
It looks pretty dope.
Pretty dope. Nikolai, this is in 2009, man. So today we're going to go explore, as you saw in the title, Kips Castle, which has an interesting story that includes...
The castle belonged to a sex cult. The guy who ran the cult was Indian.
Was his name Rakesh? Hello, my friend. While other Indians do tech support, he does cult support, man. So here's a quick recap and detailed description about this castle's history. So the castle was built in 1905 by this guy called Frederick Kipp. After his wife died in 1926, he sold it to this one guy called Seguño Muñoz. I love how that shit rhymes. So basically made mad bread with the oil industry. To the 1980s, then it was sold to this one Indian guru. I'm gonna try to fucking say this shit. Bhagwan Shirini Ranish. I can't say it. This is the guy. So then this guru was like, yo, we're gonna make this thing into a goddamn sex cult. He was ahead of his time. This was during a time where you apparently couldn't show off your tits in public without being harassed. And this guy was like, you could do it all in unison. In a little more detail, basically he was trying to preach the fact that you can have sex all the time, you should never repress it, especially during this time, and that you should search all the nooks and crannies of your sexuality, and life will be more fun apparently. He flew from England to the United States, he landed at the JFK airport, and went to his new hilltop retreat by a limousine. Rumors of the cult started flying around Montclair, New Jersey, and everybody started panicking because as a parent, you don't want your kids to join something as dangerous as a sex cult, to explore their diverse sexualities, although that's kind of the same thing as opening an OnlyFans account, but okay. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I'm surprised I haven't heard about this cult where I live. I live in Jersey. This cult grew so big that it was like national news and shit. It got to the point where this cult even made it to the TV series 60 Minutes. So at the end of this whole fiasco, he got arrested in 1985 in Charlotte, North Carolina, when he was en route to go to Bermuda. He ended up getting charged with 35 counts of felony immigration violation and the unlawful flight to avoid prosecution. These are big fucking words. So basically, he got 20 years in federal prison and he served like half of it. And then he ended up with a $400,000 fine and 5 years probation. He ended up getting exiled from the United States. Every time I hear the word exile, all I think about is pyramid. I honestly have no idea where he's at now, but at the end of the day, the castle is now owned by Essex County itself. Now it's become some kind of museum and national park. Weird. You can find more information about this castle in the links in the description below, where I have posted the articles that I've read from. Hey, that's the nigga who goes to me. What's up? Hey! Why you don't respond, Nick? Motherfucker, I got dogs barking. I got motherfucking cats.
Find him.
I found him a long time.
Meow.
He found me.
Like it is. Honk for peace, ready? So if you guys haven't noticed, whenever we hang out with Nikolai after the billions of videos that I've made with him, we always take a lot more detours than the NJ Turnpike in the fall. My man always has to do something before we get to the goddamn place, even if it's ghost hunting. He always has to go ready, even for ghost hunting. He has to have a full bar of stamina, full health, and a full stomach. Alright, Ansana Kandakoa? Kankova.
Kanda.
You know what, man? How about I'm gonna send you back to Wakanda, man.
What are you doing, fat dogs?
Yo, she's about to start talking about Tim's next, nigga. Yo, she's crying! What the fuck? On the way over there, I was stopping at a red light pretty slowly, and I didn't realize how close I was to the car in front of me. So I almost hit that car, probably because I was talking to one of my dumb toes. The whitest house of all.
Coño, me cago en la pinga.
Mamma mia.
I got hiccups.
Yeah? So you're recording?
Yeah.
You got fucking hiccups, so this is a historical fucking moment. You gotta fucking record.
Like I said earlier, I'm just glad that I don't have to feel like the third wheel here.
You're right. Now it feels like the fourth.
All right, enough of the detour. Let's find some ghosts. Like I said earlier, this place is a public park now, and you can come in and leave whenever you want, except in the castle. And to go up here, you have to drive through this long spiral road, which looks really creepy at night. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Look how it looks. It looks all green like Ghost Adventure.
Well, welcome back, everyone. My name is Nikolai, and if you're looking for a thrill this month, you've come to the right place. Join us as we arrive to our destination for tonight, Kips Castle. This place has been around for years, if not decades.
Yo, why are you so loud?
Because I'm a host, we're supposed to yell, right? Whoa, welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. This is Nikolai, your host Nikolai. Welcome for another night of special ghost hunting adventures. We're here at Kips Castle, most scariest mysteries. Here we are,
We have our
co-host,
first ghost.
Our co-host,
The girl who ghosted me on Instagram.
our co-ghost.
You good?
She almost died. You know, honestly, when it comes to me and this channel, you know, whenever I do something serious, I can't take it seriously. So as we go to the front entrance of this castle, I end up doing this. Touching her hair.
Exorcism?
Nikolai has a cult for magic tricks. It's called Nikolai's Sex Magic.
No, it's called Cult 45.
So while I did a lot of research for this video about this castle, I can't tell you what is what. Everywhere we go in this castle just looks creepy, so just go along with it.
That's where they have the f***ing sex cult. Elevator.
The elevator.
Wait, look. It's not him anymore, it's me. Windows. What happened?
He just got wet from something.
Just thought I'd let everybody know. We love finding scary shit, but once we find it, we're a bunch of pussies.
Wait, whose shadow is that? You see that black in the back? Or is that just painting?
What is that?
Is that ours?
Oh my god, it looks like a
Wait,
person.
move.
It does.
Wait, what the hell?
In the end, it was just a silhouette of a cardboard cutout of a person. So after almost getting a massive heart attack from that cardboard silhouette, we decided to head to the back of the castle where things get really creepy.
Oh, look at these stairs.
Stop whispering.
Shut up, bro. This whole thing is just renovated.
What?
Don't
Someone come.
get the f down here. Why would we go up? No, I'll protect you from all the f***s.
The biggest problem we usually run into when we go ghost hunting is that most of these locations that we know about are either renovated or under renovation. So once we get there, we can't really get inside to look at that creepy shit, because there's no creepy shit anymore. And although the majority of the castle itself is very creepy, especially this goddamn painting.
Oh, look, a painting. There's a painting over there.
Of what?
And his armor.
One of these chairs are definitely gonna move. We're gonna run.
99% of the time that we're here, we're usually goofing around.
From this angle.
Right. Right, you stupid f.
The one part I really liked about this castle, though, is the place that looks like somebody was buried here.
It looks like a grave.
Yeah, because this one just will randomly be here.
It's a hole.
A hole for what?
I don't know.
Rituals?
The week after this recording, my girlfriend came over from Florida, and all four of us decided to visit the castle again. So today, the four of us are going to go die. But before that, we went to this abandoned location that was an insane asylum before.
Well, why does it look like the whole place is abandoned? How did we get in there without dying?
You don't. For those who know the movie A Beautiful Mind with Russell Crowe, they actually shot that movie here.
Oh, that shit looks creepy as fuck. Babe, babe. Gotta go.
The reason we left like that was because we saw somebody behind us with a couple of flashlights, and it seemed like they were cops. This time we did one of the most ghost hunting generic shit we've ever done. Both times were basically the same thing, except the second time I didn't bring my camera with me, so I had to use my phone.
Look at her jawline, guys. Look. So strong! Strong jawline!
Believe it or not, throughout this entire thing, we actually caught a few paranormal activities, which is not really that important. It could have just been dust. This next one is very interesting. You see, this person right here, we don't know who the f that is. And none of them were dressed like that when we took this photo. Might have been one of my girlfriend's dead f boys. Good riddance.
Literally not moving.
Hey, why don't you take it easy? Take it easy, okay? Take it easy, okay? You listen to me, okay? You take it easy.
Are you shaking your ass for me, bro?
You're underage. Stop.
Well, that about wraps up our ghost adventure.
We actually did a long, thorough investigation here.
Now the final question I have is, would I recommend the Hero 9 to go ghost hunting? Most likely if you had at least like 50 flashlights that are brighter than mine, because this flashlight was actually dying. I replaced the batteries and this shit is brighter than the sun. But anyways, my name is OZ from So Would Be, and